Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi. I am the Assistive Tech OT. And I just wanted to start off by saying thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed and liked my video that I did last week. I hope it was helpful for you, and hopefully you have someone in mind that you can use it with. For this week, I am doing something that is simple, but one of the most helpful tools there is because it's really basic and available to everyone without downloading anything special. And that is the Google Voice Typing. So if you go up to Tools and you click on Voice Typing, this great microphone is going to show up. And like it says, you click to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that right now. This is Google Voice Typing, period. Google Voice Typing is intuitive and responsive and one of my favorite accessibility tools to use, period. I hope you find this helpful and have a student that it could be of use to, or even that it could help you, exclamation point. So as you can see, there are some little dashed lines under here, and if you right click, it will give you some selections just in case it misunderstood you. And like for here, it missed the U, but it had it right there. I really think that this basic voice typing tool it's very responsive, and even my students who have speech difficulties are able to get this voice typing tool to understand what they're saying. They do have to maybe work a little bit harder at enunciation, but I have found that it really gets what the student is trying to say in a lot of the situations. I just love that it is embedded into Google. My district has access to Google and to Office 365, but since the start of the pandemic, we really have been using a lot more of the Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides. And so this is really something that I have been encouraging all of the teachers that I work with to offer to their students. So I hope that this simple tool is something that can help you or one of your students. And I look forward to hearing from you. Again, if there is a tool that you want me to look into, or a certain challenge that you're encountering yourself or with some students, reach out and email me at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram at theassistivetechot. And I would love to reach out and try to find a solution for you, or give a little tutorial on how to use a tool that you request. So thank you so much for listening and subscribing and liking my video. Feel free to share it with anyone that you think might find it useful. Thanks so much, guys.